water, roughly about a cup of hot water. So we want to allow that for it to get to a boil. Okay? Now, we want this water to boil first. That's very important, is to get the water to a boil. Okay? So I was gonna make rosemary tea tonight, but rosemary is finished. So I decided to make the fresh thyme tea tonight to give you guys a heads up and why it's so important. I didn't know that it's so powerful, but I'm gonna tell you, it is very powerful and effective, guys. All right, and I want to encourage you guys to give this a try at home. Okay, so that means I can't do it when it's like this. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, all right. So right here we have some fresh thyme, and we're gonna just put this into the water like this. Okay, that's the fresh thyme. All right. Then we're gonna get a few cloves and put it inside of it. Just a few cloves. Some bay leaf, because bay leaf is very good. Yeah. All right. Here it is, bay leaf inside of it. You see, make sure them sometime. Excellent. Look at that. Alright, so you guys can see it start to boil. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the cooker. Okay? Yeah, let's turn off the cooker. But this is a very, very powerful cup of tea for you guys. I will name out all of the benefit and why it isn't so important, but make me see if we can get a few more people on the live, and then we can start to talk about why you guys need to drink this and an amazing cup of tea. Yeah, so you guys can see we got the bay leaf inside of it, and we have the fresh thyme and some cloves. All right, and the thyme. That's it so far inside of it. You can put ginger, but I'm not gonna put any inside of it. That's it. Yeah, but this is something I recommend to enough for you guys who are watching to try and make at home. You don't have to boil it like one do it. Okay, definitely you don't have to do it like so long. Just put it into a container and you can enjoy it. It's very easy, but this is one of the most powerfulest cup of tea you could ever drink in your whole entire life. You're talking about weight loss. You're talking about boosts in your immune system. Oh my days. Guys, I'm going to tell you, I was doing some research on it, and I'm going to tell you something. We look at this thing and we use it every day, and we don't know how powerful it is and how good it is to use at home. This right here in the pot, this thing right here is fresh thyme. Okay, so I want you guys to take this thing very, very serious this evening. It is a very powerful cup of tea, fish. The C word, it is very good for the C word. All right, if you guys understand what I mean. Yeah, very, very good for it. I was doing my own research and I will give you guys a little bit of tips and ideas on it. Okay, yeah man. So this is how the thyme tea look. Thyme with bay leaf and cloves. Now if you're a person who smoke, this is really good for you also, because you got the bay leaf. This is very good to detox your lungs, and also it can help you to reduce the risk of your smoking. Thyme tea is very powerful. So if you're a person who want to give up smoking, you're gonna have to drink this for at least 30 days. But there's more recipe you need to put with this, which I will be releasing very soon. Okay? Yeah. Wow. So, as I said, that is fantastic and amazing, guys. And I want to encourage you guys to, I'm going to talk about this. Give me 2 minutes, okay? Yeah, give me 2 minutes. Make we, I'm going to show you, but here it is. Fresh thyme tea, okay? With bay leaf and cloves. You can put ginger if you like to, but drink it naturally. Don't put any sugar, honey, or sweetener, okay? Very important, and you want to drink this for at least 10 to 15 days in the morning and also at night. Works very effective. Okay, we're gonna simple take it out for the heat. Okay, yeah. Excellent. All right. And if you didn't get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, remember guys, you need to get yourself a copy of this book. All right? Yeah man, good vibes. It's on Amazon, 50% off. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna pour out 1 cup from it. All right, here it is. Excellent. All right, this thing right here is very, very powerful. I know it because I use it many times. So I know about it. I know about the benefit and the powerfulness of it and why it's so important for us to drink it, okay? So that's why I want to encourage you who are watching tonight, because enough of you guys don't know nothing about this. And you guys need to listen and watch this video to the end when I'm done with it. Don't add any sugar or sweetener or honey to it. Nothing. Drink it naturally as it is. Okay? All right. And good vibes.